This is an iPad Pro, 4th generation is non-functional due to water damage. Unfortunately, there are no spare parts available on the market. Let's attempt to repair it using the available resources. First, check the charging response using the USB charging port. Now let's test with a Type-C to C USB cable. There is no response. Next, let's try with a USB-A to C cable. This also shows no response. Okay. Now, let's test with a USB circuit tester to confirm whether the charging port or related circuits are damaged. Ah, good, it seems normal. Now, let's separate the display and check the condition inside the iPad. While checking the main board, it seems that it wasn't affected by water too much. However, there are two subboards that are fully corroded by water. Now we will remove the subboards and take out each IC, then reball and refix them. Now the short circuit is cleared and the device can boot and enter the system. However, the display has a horizontal line. There is still a problem. It cannot charge properly. The battery data is readable, but while charging, the device shows 0% remaining, or is stuck at 1%, and is not drawing the proper ampere. While checking, the BMS circuit board is entirely corroded. I cleaned it, but I still faced the issue. Upon closer observation, I found one line on the BMS that was damaged by corrosion. I fixed it using a jumper. Now fix the charging issue. Now checking, the camera and Face ID are not working. We found an issue with the camera PMU. Additionally, the Face ID connector had missing lines due to corrosion, which has now been fixed. Now, the device is completely fixed, except the display line. Thanks for watching.